Don't design your mixed-use development without knowing this first, because this will make your entire building feel dark and expensive to operate, kahit gaano kaganda ang facade mo sa labas. For example, if your development has multiple floors of retail, offices, and residential units stacked on top of each other, the deeper you go into the building, the darker and more suffocating it becomes. No natural light and ventilation. Every floor fully dependent on artificial lighting and mechanical cooling 24 hours a day. To avoid this, integrate a central light well or solar chimney into the core of your development from the very beginning. This pulls natural light down into every floor and drives hot air up and out of the building naturally, reducing your operating costs significantly across every level. This transforms your most underperforming interior spaces into the most valuable and livable floors of your entire development, without adding a single square meter to your footprint. Comment develop, and we will help like this at a development scale.